Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw USDT in Japan for 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it super stable for transactions. But withdrawing it in Japan comes with its own set of rules, especially with the evolving regulations by 2025. Let's break this down step by step so you can do it safely and efficiently. First off, make sure you understand the basics. USDT is popular because it minimizes volatility, but in Japan, you'll need to comply with the Financial Services Agency (FSA) guidelines. By 2025, expect tighter crypto regulations, including enhanced KYC, know your customer, processes to prevent money laundering. Step 1. Choose a reliable exchange or wallet. Opt for platforms like Bitflyer or Coincheck, which are FSA approved and support USDT withdrawals. Always check for any 2025 updates on their websites, as new partnerships or features might be added. Step 2. Verify your account. This is crucial. You'll need to provide ID, proof of address, and possibly additional documents to meet Japan's strict anti-money laundering laws. Once verified, head to your wallet section and select USDT for withdrawal. Next, decide on your withdrawal method. In Japan, you can transfer USDT to a yen-based bank account via services like PayPay or directly through the exchange. Remember, by 2025, there might be more integrated options with digital yen trials. Don't forget to calculate fees. Exchanges often charge a percentage, plus network fees for blockchain transactions. Before you proceed, keep taxes in mind. Japan taxes crypto gains at up to 55%, so track your withdrawals carefully. Finally, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and store your keys offline. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing USDT in Japan for 2025 doesn't have to be complicated if you follow these steps. Stay informed, as rules can change. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.